Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. You know what today is? Thrift Store Thursday. I'm still going to the thrift store and I have been filming for days. That's how much stuff I have, and it has gotten out of control again. So these next 2 or 3 videos that you get maybe a hiatus for Thrift Store Thursday because I done filled up the second storage. But anywho, if you know anyone who likes these type of videos, please make sure to let them know about my channel. My name is Kel, and send them on over here to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell twice, and make sure to give me a thumbs up. That way I know that you enjoy my content. So let me move on and let me show you what I got. So as I was saying, I went to the thrift store quite a few times the month of July and now going into August. And y'all just not gonna believe what I've been finding. A lot of vintage stuff that is worth money. So I don't have too much of history on what I'm about to show you because I could not find the exact piece, but you will see behind me several similarities of what I actually found. And here it is. This is called a vintage footed casserole dish by the Dixie. It's called CP Company by Dixie. So let me just show you the markings underneath. Okay, and this is the footed base. And it has the blue flowers, which I am still on the search for the exact name of this piece. And look at the beautiful lid. Okay, and this piece was actually 89 cents. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Now, with my research on this actual piece, I found several of them, but with different, designs. The lowest that these are selling for right now are $40.19. I found another one that was $49.46, and the highest one was $57.85. So 89 cents again, 100% profit. So if I was to let this go, I think if I was to do this on eBay or Etsy, I wouldn't ask for nothing less than $50, maybe $55 for this beautiful piece. Now, you may have already seen this piece when I did the tea garden tablescape, but this is the information, video where I got it from the thrift store. Right, so we're gonna move on. Fabulous piece. Next, I came across this pretty blue and white. I'm still finding a lot of blue and white right now. Sugar bowl. Isn't this gorgeous? And the price for this was 49 cents. And once again, you may have seen this on the table when I did the tea party again, when I did the blue and white set from the Formalities blue and white wall pocket vases, tea vases. So yeah, I thought this was really nice. So just trying to find some blue and white dishes now, and I think I'll be done with the blue and white. Alright, so let's move on because I do have a lot of stuff and I don't want this video to be long. Next, I believe this is milk glass vase, and this was 49 cents. And it's just a pretty vase. Hope you can see the markings on it. And anyone that is a milk glass collector, can you let me know down in the comments if this is an actual piece? I didn't do any research on it, but I thought it was pretty and nice just to, you know, have on your table. I'm not sure if a candlestick will fit in there or there was two of them, but I only found this one. So, good price, 49 cents. Next, look at this. White orchid. How pretty. And I love orchids. It reminds me of Billie Holiday. I believe that was the singer that wore the orchids in her hair, which was also one of my grandmother's favorite singers back in the day. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, this reminds me of my grandmother. See how pretty that is? And it's got like the little fuchsia color in it. And in the long sleeve, I just have to clean, it's got dust on the bottom of the leaves. And then it came in a nice white vase. This is like brand new. It still had the tag on it, and it's from actually Walmart. It doesn't have a price on it, but it's from Walmart. So somebody picked it up and I guess didn't want it, but I paid $1.49. And I just thought this was just beautiful. This would be nice just sitting on my office desk. Let's see how long it is. Okay. Now some of the stuff I'm about to show you, I totally forgot about it because it's just been stacking up on the couch. And I'm filming now so I can get it over to storage. Look what I found. A beautiful gold tablecloth. And originally from Home Goods for $7.99. Never came out the package. And I paid 99 cents. Where are you getting a beautiful tablecloth for 99 cents? So I'm gonna take it out the package. So I want you to see this up. I mean, it's brand new. It is still folded. It still has the cardboard in it. Look at that. So I wanted to open it to see if it's going to be long enough for my table. And if you can see up close the silver in it, this is going to be fabulous. Yep, and it is the square one. Very nice. So I'll wash this up and get this ready. I'll be using this for my Gold Rush Challenge. So make sure, if you have not checked that video out, it'll be coming out. The challenge is, the upload date is August 23rd, my fabulous birthday. We're doing the Gold Rush Challenge, and you'll see the iCard up above. Go check that video out, and I hope to see all participants on August 23rd. Moving on. Next, look at this. Look at the bottom of it. It has just a little ledge Beautiful. Now this one I can't see through it, but I paid 99 cents. You can see that, 99 cents. And this is heavy. This is really heavy. Got to just clean it off. And I thought this would be beautiful. I mean, so many, ooh, desserts, lunch meat platter, you name it. Beautiful and elegant. For 99 cents, y'all, where y'all gonna find something like this for 99 cents? I don't think nowhere. Okay. Next, I totally forgot about these. Let me open up. And like I reiterate, I went different times in my travels. Something just said, get up and go down there. Go down there. Every time I went, I was really lucking up. I guess because I was getting there early and getting, you know, getting in and getting out. Had my mask on, of course. Look at this. Y'all see this? Look how beautiful. This candy apple red. And got 4 perfect condition. Isn't these beautiful? Oh my goodness. And I paid 49 cents. Hopefully you're able to see that price. 49 cents. I love my thrift store. They do not cost, you know, they don't charge you an arm and a leg. And they just always have beautiful, beautiful items. Okay, so I have 2 more items because I don't want this video to be too long and then y'all click off and don't watch it to the end. So 2 more items and we'll be done. Look how pretty this is. It's like the shape, I guess like an apple. The red and the white. And it had a miniature one. You can never go wrong with mixing bowls. And I paid 99 cents for the set. So 33 cents a piece, not bad. Nice little bowl set, you know, to sit out on your table, on your patio or whatever. But I thought this was cute. Nice maybe potato salad or something. So I got that. And lastly, in this haul, I found these jumbo squeeze bottles. And they were 49 cents. So I got 2 of them. You know, it's good for your barbecue sauce and when you're grilling out on the grill. But I got them for my arts and crafts because I can fill it up with the glue when I'm doing, you know, different things. So I thought this was a great buy, 49 cents. And I haven't seen the big giant ones in a while. You know, at the dollar store, they have the smaller ones in there. They are $1. So 49 cents, not bad. Again, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in another Thrift Store Thursday video. Bye-bye.